Good afternoon, ma'am. I am SINOTHIYA with my partner Rohit Pathak and GUPTA, and we are here to present our presentation on the topic strategic planning corporate level. First, we know about what is the meaning of strategic planning. A strategic plan is a document that reflects how a company plans to function and grow over a significant period of time, usually 3 to 5 years. It is based on a mission, vision statement, stakeholder values, and goals. A strategic planning is a high leverage organization strategy used in small and large companies across nearly all professional sectors. All members of an organization can benefit from learning about it in more detail. Understanding the key aspects of the process and effective implementation strategies is especially critical. Next slide. There are 5 types of benefits of strategic planning. The first one is creates a sense of direction. A strategic plan helps to create a sense of purpose and to define the direction in which an organization must travel. Second is increase operational efficiency. With a clear plan and direction in place, resources could be cancelled and monitored more effectively to ensure that effectiveness is enhanced and wastage is reduced. Third is increase market share profitability. By crafting and adopting a dedicated strategic plan, organization can get valuable insights on market trend, consumers segments, buying behavior patterns. Fourth is increased durability and sustainability. Business are constantly adapting to change, especially in a digitally lead economy. The purpose of a strategic plan is to flag out potential internal and external shocks and prepare the business. Fifth is being proactive instead of reactive. The current dynamic business environment requires every business to be equipped with a good strategic plan. Next slide. The basis of strategic plan models and frameworks. All strategic plans sit atop of a model and a framework. A model is a structure that you design your plan, while the strategic plan frameworks are the details that you place within that model to achieve and evaluate progress towards the goals of your plan. For example, specific objectives, action plans, resources, and evaluate process. Next slide will be explained by Rohit Pathak.
Like strategic planning models. Number one, basic plan. Open up with a mission statement, formulate the mid-range goals and specify strategy for achieving these. Sometimes larger goals may be delivered into smaller strategic objectives. The cascade. Number two, the cascade strategy planning model. The model being with a vision statement, much like the mission statement in the model above. It states why the organization existence. Number three, the scenario model. The idea behind this model is to conduct a variety of scenarios that could occur due to external event or change, regulation, demographic, etc., and make plans for addressing those issues. Number four, the goal-based model. As the title implies, organization establish prioritized goals and objectives, and then align them with respective action plans. Some goals will be short-term, some immediate, and some long-term. Next slide. Strategic planning framework. Number one, SWOT. Stand for strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Strengths and weakness are internal conditions, and opportunity and threats refers to external forces. Number two, PEST is an acronym for political, economic, social, cultural, and technological. These are all internal factors that could impact a business for good or bad. They are identified and planned, then made to respond to each other. Number three, gap planning. As the name implies, the gap planning framework allows an organization to identify where it is now and where it would like to be at some point in the future. Number four, blue ocean. Organizations often live in red ocean an environment in which there is a lot of competition and strategy goal must to competing in an existing marketplace and beating that competition. Number 4, Viro. Number 5, Video. Stand for value, rarity, improbability, organization. The framework allow a company to identify opportunity for growth, how to become more competitive with product and service that cannot easily to imitate it. Next slide. What is VMO-SA? One way to make the journey is through strategic planning. The process by which a group define its own VMO-SA. That is its vision, mission, objective, strategy, and action plans. VMO-SA is a practical planning process that can be used by any organization or institute. That comprehensive planning tool can help your organization by providing a blueprint for moving from dream to action to positive outcomes for your community. Next slide. This is the process of strategic planning: vision, mission, objectives, strategies, and action plans. Next slide will be explained by Priyanshu Gupta.
Within strategic planning, corporate level, a vision statement is the picture of your organization in the future, but it's so much more than that. A business statement is both your inspiration and the framework for strategic and operational planning. A vision statement is the articulation of your organization's dreams and hopes for the future. Next slide, please. A mission statement is a brief description of the organization's fundamental purpose. A mission statement answers the question, why do we exist? For instance, the mission statement of Liberty Health in Jersey City, NJ, is we enhance life. Next slide, please. Objective. Strategic planning initiative and are not boilerplate exercise. They must be customized to the specific challenge that your organization is facing at this point in your life cycle. Some clients, for example, desire a comprehensive strategic plan for the next 3 to 5 years. Others merely want to update an existing plan or examine some specific planning element that may require revision. Next slide, please. Strategies. The setting of goal and objective is not of itself sufficient to ensure that the organization will progress toward its goal. This is achieved by adopting and implementing strategies over a period of time. Studies are what must be done by the personnel of the organization in order to achieve the needed progress. If the objective is to increase membership, then the strategy is what will be done to achieve this membership increase. Next slide, please. Plan. An action plan is a way to make sure your organization vision is made concrete. It describes the way your group will use its strategy to meet its objective. An action plan consists of a number of action steps for changes to be brought about in your community. Next slide, please. Thank you.